Oh my gosh, we're back again. Temu haul for my friends. Welcome. Welcome back to the channel where I'm not in my kitchen, but the name of the channel is Hot Mess in the Kitchen. It's fine, it's okay. Over here, it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone, okay? Where we have a good time today now unboxing some more Temu. If y'all have never heard of Temu, oh, we'll get into all of that. Anyways, if you're new here, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here, like I said, we embrace the hot mess. I do sprinkle a little cooking and stuff and whatnot in here, and I do some hauls over here. If you want to see some beauty makeup unboxing subscriptions and all of that, check out my other channel, Hot Mess Mama MD. And then if you like some curvy girl fashion try-ons, check out Hot Mess Mama Vlogs. I am everywhere, including TikTok and Instagram at HotmessMama04. Anyways, shout out and thank you to Temu for partnering with the girl in today's video. I have a ton of Temu hauls. I have a few over here. I have a bunch of my other channels. Like, if you are curious about some of the products on Temu, check out my playlist. I'll try and remember to link them down below because I'm pretty sure I probably hauled it. And if not, give your girl some tips because Temu is freaking amazing. They did give us a coupon code, and God forbid I remember what it is off the top of my head, so I have to look at my phone for it. I'm gonna pop it up on the screens. It is off to 556. Now, if you download the app, you'll get 30% off your first Temu order, which we love. So anyways, Temu has everything from house decor to DIY type of projects. Hello, yeah, we'll talk about that in a minute. They have fashion, beauty, men, pets, I don't know, they literally have everything. And they have a wish list section now. And on top of that, after you place your order, they do sometimes do price adjustments. They will literally, if you go into your order, into your app and into your account, and they'll ask you, do you want a refund? We did a price adjustment. And I was shook the first time. The first time I ever got that, I was just like, holy guacamole. I'm on the app all the time. I love the app because they're constantly adding new things all the time and I get notifications. So, anyways, as always, everything that I show you all will be linked and listed down below for you all. I'll put the prices down there too. So, if you saw, I think it was like I don't know, my last Temu haul I did, I ordered a pack of 10 of these backsplashes. Now, I thought I picked out another pack of 10, but they just sent me 2. So you can buy this individually if you want, or you can purchase it in a pack of 10. And of course, the coupon code is gonna give you that 30% off your first order, which is off to 556. Check this out. It's like easy transfer from your home into minutes. It's a flexible, humidity resistant material, looks like glass or ceramic. Let me just open it up for you all. Like I said, I bought the pack of 10, and for whatever reason, I don't have a large space, but the space that I want to put it in my kitchen is kind of awkward. So I know I'm gonna have to do a lot of cutting. So it's kind of like a foam sticky background, and you just peel and stick it on here. Now, as you know, your girl has commitment issues. If you've ever seen, or if you've been with me for a while, do you remember when I did this to my fireplace? That's literally contact paper. That's contact paper, y'all. That got us through crazy Kentucky winter where we had it's a gas fireplace. It was not affected whatsoever by burning the fireplace. So that's contact paper, and if I want to peel it off and change it, I can. One, it's too expensive to put like this on. It's like stupid expensive. But this, getting it at Temu and getting that 30% off coupon, guess what? It's not dumb expensive. So we love it. So here's a close-up. And I really like it. It's really nice, and like I said, I feel like for me it's gonna be easy to do. Now, I do have a Virgo husband, so there's a really good chance that I could potentially start this. I might make it crooked on accident, and then he'll come in and take over the project. I'm already like, that's what I think will happen. Anyways, moving on. The next little item in here is a cookie machine. And I think this is like a little chopper thingy, right? Yes. Okay. So here's my thought. So these are really, really good. Like if you want to mince garlic or something, it's a little USB chargeable type of dealio. And it's funny because I see this on my TikToks all the time, like fun little gadgets. And I had actually gotten one before and I love it. And here's the thing. Do you see? It has real blades in here. So if you don't know, I do make my own laundry detergent, and I make powder and I make liquid. So I was thinking that, and I promise I'm going to film a short for you all on that, but I was thinking when you do your shaved block of soap, I thought, you know, how good would it be to chop it finer just with that? So anyways, I picked this out. I thought it would be perfect, and the prices are wonderful. Next in here, now this was one that I picked out for a second time because I want to gift this. I thought Haley could use this for her apartment. This is the Veggie Chopper. This is freaking awesome, okay? So you can see in here, it'll slice up your veggies and everything. You can do all different kinds of styles, and the price, FYI, is a better deal from any other sites that I have seen, because I've been pricing them around. I'd watched this one video of this girl, she constantly uses it on her channel, and so I shopped around for it. The best deal you can get, I found, was at Temu. So it has all the different little compartment or components with it. It is durable, it's sturdy. Like here's the little thing that you can like pop your onion on or tomato and start slicing. And Haley was just here, and I said, I may have some more stuff for you, and I do. So here it is. You've got your little instructions, and then you've got the little fork that can also like hold things, and then all the different gadgets for here. And then when you slice it, it goes into this little compartment. It's really, really a nice little kitchen gadget to have, in my opinion. So anyways, you can't beat the deal. Like I said, it was a better deal when I was looking to get it at Temu, and then of course using the coupon code. And like I said, it'll be down in my description box below with everything linked. Okay, so this is one of the things that I've been meaning to get forever and a day, and I never have. But on my other channel, Hotmess Mama MD, Makeup Diva, I thought it would be nice to have a little palette. So I'm really bad about just finding whatever to put my foundation on sometimes, and I thought, you know, this is literally meant for that, or mixing. So if you want to mix your lipsticks or your cream blushers or whatever, you can do that. So it's just a nice little mixing thing for your makeup. You could, I'm sure, use it for artisan things. Artisan, is that like candy? No. Is that food? I mean like artsy fartsy stuff, okay? All right, next in here, let me just tell you, this, if you are someone who brushes your teeth like a monster, you're like, I get it. I get in trouble with any and every dentist that sees me. They're always like, stop brushing your teeth so hard. Like there's no reason for it. And I'm like, yeah, I'm scrubbing, dubbing, making sure they're nice and clean, you know? And they're like, you don't need to do that. You're causing your gums to recede. So I found these, and the deal is insane. It's crazy inexpensive, of course, because it's Temu. The quality is great, and I love these brushes. And it's funny because it took me probably a good month to get used to using something like this. I still use an electric toothbrush, but with this, it's like more of like a massaging, gentle, don't worry about jacking up your gums. So I do oil pools, and the oil pool that I buy comes with these, but I wanted to also try out Temu's, and it literally feels exactly like the one that comes in my oil pool. All right, next in here is one of these classic type of containers for like noodles or what have you, and it's like portioned. How cute is that? I don't even remember picking this out, but it's freaking adorable. And it's like portioned out, so you could either do like half of it or sectioned it, like do beans on one side, you could do noodles on another, you could do rice on one side, what have you, and it's all like measured. So I'm trying to get better at getting a little bit more, not even aesthetic, but just a little bit more organized. Like my refrigerator is very chaotic. However, I did get the refrigerator bins in one of my past hauls and I love it. And I wash all of the fruit at once, and then I put all the fruit, like I've got strawberries, grapes, blueberries, and carrots all in there, and my kids will literally just go to the refrigerator and pull it out and it's ready to go. It's great. I got Post-it notes because I have ADHD, and one of the things that my therapist always had recommended was leaving notes for myself. On top of that, I do put notes in my 17-year-old's lunchbox still, because I'm that mom, and my kid doesn't care, so she actually like will text and be like, thanks mom for the note, and I'm like, mwah. So anyways, I got these. Definitely make sure to check out Temu's office supply section, because when I say they have everything, like I guarantee you, if you are looking for sticky notes or the little chip clips or what have you, they literally will have it. And funny enough, my husband, the other night, I woke up in the middle of the night, and do you know what this man was doing? He was on his Temu app. Do I have food in my teeth? So sorry. Welcome to the hot mess. But he had, he was on the Temu app. He's like, you're right, this is really good deals. You got a coupon? I was like, well, I do. And so I gave him a coupon. And he placed an order. He was so excited. It was his first order ever. I think I'm gonna unbox it for you guys when it comes in. It just, because I had some of you guys say like, hey, I'd love to see like what your husband would pick out, you know, that kind of thing or whatever. So yeah, I'll do an unboxing for y'all. But anyways, I was talking about electric toothbrushes, and right here is like the refills without being crazy expensive. They're stupid crazy affordable actually. So me and my kids all use like the Oral-B or whatever it is, and this is compatible with it, and it was just a couple bucks. We got another one of these. So I got 3 of them. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited over this. Where's my scissors? So if you don't know, I feed the neighborhood stray cats. I feed the birds. Heck, I feed the delivery people. I'm not even gonna lie, I've got a delivery basket out there, or a basket out there for the delivery people of snacks and water bottles. You know, I pretty much feed everybody. This is so nice. Holy moly. Temu's quality, don't let the prices fool you. Just because you're getting like something crazy affordable, don't think that they're skimping on the quality. Oh, I'm so excited over this. I am so excited. I love this. I like this bird feeder better. I showed you all, I picked up 2 of the Pioneer Woman bird feeders. That honestly, I think they're just for looks. I think they're just for pretties. I put bird feeder in there, and you all, my birds can't get to it, so it's a waste. So I'm literally going to put this out and take the bird feed that I had in those bird houses and put it in here, because look, your birds are actually going to be able to sit here and eat. I don't know, I wasted my money on the other one. This one, awesome. This is so cute. I love it. All right, next in here, I've got one of these microwavable things. Now, this is a Wreath purchase. I showed you all before that I have one. This I got because I thought it would be good for Haley for their microwave. So it's literally just a little pop-up thing, and if you want to flip it over and use it as a strainer for your fruits, you can, but it's always really nice to have, and I love them. They're really affordable and inexpensive. I mean, it's Temu. We love it. Another one of the toothbrushes. We love it, love it, love it. All right, so I gotta floof this up. Okay, so it's like plasticky, but oh, I'm making a big mess. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's actually really cute. It's all plastic, which is nice, but it's actually like, these look real. Some of these flowers on here look real. I'm gonna put it back in the box though, because I just made a big mess all over my carpet. But anyways, my mom had made this beautiful wreath on our door. However, our doves like to try and set up shop. So I thought by picking out this, see, it's kind of flatter. I still have to floof it, but it's gonna be one of those wreaths where I don't think they're gonna want to set up shop because it's not like crazy big like the other one. So I thought that was really cute. I think this is a great haul. Like Temu, when I tell you, they literally have everything. They literally have it all. And I can't wait to show you more because there's gonna be another haul. Y'all know it. I'm on there all the time. So anyways, y'all, that is all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, everything will be linked and listed down below with coupon code OFF2556 will be down there as well. And like I said, that coupon code is going to get you 30% off your first order with Temu. Thank you again to Temu for working with your girl on today's video, letting me pick out these goodies. Stay tuned. I do, like I said, have to place another order to get some more of these backsplashes, but I'm going to use them. I'm going to put them in my kitchen and piece them together, and I think it's going to be a fun little DIY project. So I know some of y'all do ask about the kitchen table that I also put contact paper on. That's now my husband's work desk, and it's held up beautifully. So, you know, find different ways to save your money doing DIY projects, especially if you're like me and you have commitment issues. Something like this that I can remove later down the road if I want to. Perfection. Anyways, friends, if you made it to the end of today's video, thank you bunches and bunches. I greatly appreciate it. I will be back, of course, with more. And check me out on my other channels. Of course, Hotmess Mama MD, Hotmess Mama Vlogs, and on TikTok and Instagram at Hotmess Mama. Until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!